Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 legit apps that pay real cash fast in 2022. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I mean, any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which will happen any day now. Alright, without further ado, let me hop over here to this website and show you these apps. Let's grind and let's get it! Alright family, I'm at the first app, and the name of this app is Easy Rewards. So I'm in the Google Play Store, where that's where you can find it. So let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more about this app. So they have a video right here you can check out. And let's look at some screenshots. So it says earn coins, play popular free apps, complete surveys, and watch videos. And you're going to be completing surveys. Here are the surveys look in the app. And also you'll be able to watch videos and make money. And then you're going to redeem. So you're going to get coins every time you complete any of these tasks, play games. And once you receive enough coins, you'll be able to cash out through PayPal, Amazon, or iTunes gift cards. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a bit more. So it says rewards. We offer more than 160 reward options to over 50 countries from around the world leading brands, including PayPal Cash, Amazon gift card, iTunes gift card, Walmart gift cards. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So don't get discouraged by this rating. It's 3.3 out of 5 stars. Now, usually anything over 4.0 is a very good app. Now, the reason it might be 3.3 because sometimes when the app updates itself, it has little glitches here and there, so people that are using it might complain about it. But as you can see here, any type of issues that the app is having, the customer service does answer the person about the issue. And let's just look at one review here. So just did my first cash out, and we'll see if this is really legit. So this person right here is waiting for their cash out. So their customer service responded and let them know that they'll get their cash soon. So guys, that's all I'm saying about this app. Again, don't get discouraged by the rating. It's a good app. You can see they respond to all the issues. So if you want to go ahead and make some money on this app, get that real cash, PayPal cash, go ahead and go to Easy Rewards in the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the next app. Okay guys, I'm at the next app. The name of this app is Whysense. Now I'm going to go a little bit faster guys because I don't want to make this video too long. Now I have talked about this app before, but I'll go ahead and just zoom right through it real quick. And let's look at the screenshots. So you're going to be answering surveys and you're going to earn gift card and cash. And here are the surveys. So you're going to have like 10-minute surveys, 20-minute surveys, 25-minute surveys. And they say tell us about yourself. So you'll be able to give some information to them about yourself. And you'll be able to complete offers and get paid that way also. It allows you to track your progress, so shows you how much you've made so far. So let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 3.3. So this is another app that has a kind of a low rating, but it's still a pretty good app. And if they have any issues with the app, as you can see, they also respond to all the issues. You can see the customer service right here on this app responding to issues. Alright, that's all I'm going to say about this app. It's called Whysense. And just go to the Google Play Store, download it, and get started. Now let me go to the third app. Okay guys, I'm at the third app. It's called Free Cash, Free Bitcoin and Cash. Now let's look at some of the screenshots. So this one, so it says here, the fastest growing platform to make money online. So you earn money playing games. So step 1, get started, choose your tasks. Let's just look at that right quick. And then step 2, complete the task. So play Board King, complete level 12 within 7 days, receive coins. So with this app, you're going to receive coins. And then you'll be able to cash out these coins. So cash them out. And of course, you can get PayPal Cash, or you can get Bitcoin, Amazon, or Google Play gift card. And also you can win extra prizes. So they have a daily prize that they give out. Alright, let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, check this out guys, 4.8. Now, this is probably the highest rating app that I ever did a video on. I've never seen an app this high in rating. So, you know this is a good app guys if they rated 4.8. Now, I'm not going to read any reviews on this app since you already know it's pretty good. I want to go hurry and go to the last app. So to get started with this app, go to Free Cash, Free Bitcoin and Cash in the Google Play Store. Now let me go ahead and go to the last app. Okay guys, I'm at the last app and the name of it is Big Cash. It's another app I've never talked about before. And I'm not going to be too long on it, but I'm just going to go ahead and zoom through it. Look at some of the screenshots. So when you install this app, you're going to win rewards daily and one-time secure sign up. So simple and quick to win, as you can see here. And they have instructions on entertaining tasks and send feedback for any issue. Now let's just scroll down here and just read a little bit more about it right quick. So Big Cash app is a great app to win free rewards daily. You can play lots of quick tasks without any issue. You'll be rewarded for each completed task. The more you play, the more you can win rewards. Just sign up quickly for one-time and start playing the task. Refer your friends to win more. And let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.0. That's good, guys. Good app. And I'll read one review here. It says here, good working, very easy to use. So that person is very happy with this app. All right, that's it, guys. So if you want to go ahead and download this app, go to Google Play Store and look for Big Cash. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thank you. Now, before I go, I like to do shout outs. So the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. Keep checking out my videos. Keep hitting that like button. And if you share my videos, please share them everywhere. Help this channel to grow. Okay, guys, that's it. Road to 7,000. We're almost there. We're like 70 subscribers away. Let's get there, guys. Let's get there before the end of February. I know we can do it. All right, that's it. Thanks again. Really appreciate it. So make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and please have a prosperous day.